Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with another challenge announcement. You guys, I had so much fun last month and the month before that, of course, I had to do it one more month. And you know, it's about to be fall, y'all. So why not a little spooky season, right? It's spooky season. I don't think any season is more intrinsic to witchery other than the fall. So I wanted to ring it in with a challenge. So here we are. I am now announcing that we are doing the Season of the Witch challenge. It's another junk journal type challenge, but you're welcome to make whatever as long as it's cool. And the hashtag is going to be hashtag rtcseason. And we're going to start on Friday the 13th because of course we are, like, obviously. And I have 7 prompts for you guys. It's going to be you could do whatever order, but I'm going to just follow the sequential order. So the first one is full moon, and then we have spell and potion, and then enchantment. There's decor, witch's brew, and book of spells. And I'm going to keep my stuff junk journal related, but I am going to do something a little bit different. So I will do a follow-up video for that, for those of you guys who like to craft along with me or would like to do the things that I am doing. I'm going to do another video and explain what I'm doing there. But otherwise, I'm so excited for this. I have been wanting to get back into little gothic-y things and witchy things. And I know we just did the Art Witch challenge. That was a very colorful, vibrant challenge. And I want to tone it down, bring it all the way down, get back into the spooky stuff. Because you guys know, it's like, I mean, it's spooky season, but really, in this house, it's spooky season all year long. I cannot stop hitting this. So, yeah, you know, time to get back into it. I want to get, you know, some witchery, some spooky, creepy, fun things going on before we hit October and we get full spookiness, full gothic fun. Oddtober is happening too. So, like, all sorts of things are happening in October. So I'm looking at this as like a warm-up for that, and as per usual, I will link in this description and then in all the descriptions related to this challenge a Pinterest pin board with sort of the aesthetic inspiration for this challenge. Not a lot of like project inspiration, but more like the mood, so you guys can kind of get the vibe of what I'm thinking when I say Season of the Witch. If you want to be in my headspace a little bit, I will link that down below so you can see what's up. I've been making Pinterest boards for every one of these challenges, and it's fun. I like it. I like being on Pinterest, so it works. And then, like I said, I'll be doing a follow-up video for those of you guys who want to craft along with me or make something similar to what I'm making. And then we're going to jump into the challenge on the 13th. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. As per usual, if you complete all 7 days, you use the hashtag. You make sure that I can see your videos or your post on Instagram. If you have a private account, somebody messaged me after the goblin mode to let me know that they had done all the prompts, but their account was private, so I never saw any of that, and I felt bad. So just be aware if you are joining, your account cannot be private or I will not see it. But just make sure that I see your stuff, and if you do all 7 days, you're entered into a giveaway. I'll do a drawing at the end, and I'll give some stuff away, and maybe for this one, we'll give away some fun witchy stuff, right? That would be cool. I have the supplies. We can do it. It's going to be great. I really look forward to it. Definitely come back here for the 13th to see the first video, and then, like normal, I will make a playlist, and I will attach the videos of everybody who participates in the challenge so that you can follow along if you're just interested in following the hashtag and seeing what everybody else makes. The last couple challenges have been so much fun. Everybody has made so much cool things that I'm just really looking forward to it. I'm really excited to put this together and make some stuff and, you know, get messy, make mistakes, and other things I can rip off from the magic school bus. So that's going to be it for me, guys. I'm going to hop off of here real quick so we can get back to the magic, and stay tuned. We'll see what's coming up. Don't forget, RTC Season of the Witch Challenge, starts the 13th. Goodbye. I appreciate your faces, guys. Happy crafting. Bye.